Hey everyone, I'm Chris Woodland, respiratory therapist and director of respiratory for Southmedic. Thanks for watching this video on how to use our Oxy₂Mask EtCO₂. Oxy₂ EtCO₂ is our next generation of Oxy mask that's one of the safest and most comfortable oxygen masks for your patients to use, and one now that provides more oxygen and can more reliably capture end-tidal CO2 waveforms, even at higher oxygen flow rates. Let's show you how to put Oxy₂ EtCO₂ on. Simply take the mask out of its packaging, remove the recyclable shell from the mask, twist the swivel to ensure it moves freely, and connect the universal connector to the oxygen flow meter and set the oxygen flow appropriately. If you're using our Oxy₂ EtCO₂ that comes with a sample line, simply connect the male luer end to the corresponding port on the capnograph. If you have the mask with our 8-inch female pigtail, then simply attach your existing sample line to the pigtail connection. Place the mask on your patient's face with the mask cupping the chin and that all-important diffuser pointed toward the patient's upper lip. This ensures the concentrated cloud of oxygen is being directed appropriately toward the nose and mouth, with the best chance to capture end-tidal CO2 samples. The head strap can go above the ears around the crown of the head and snug comfortably. Or, if you find the mask rides up into your patient's eyes, or if they just find it more comfortable, you can always place the straps below their ears and snug the straps up so they stay in place. You can find Oxy₂ EtCO₂ in 3 sizes: Oxy Kid, Oxy Adult, and Oxy Plus, for all your patients requiring elevated oxygenation and end-tidal monitoring. No matter who requires capnography alongside oxygen therapy, we have an Oxy₂Mask EtCO₂ for you. An open-style oxygen mask capable of delivering elevated FiO2s and capturing superior end-tidal CO2 sampling. Because that's what we believe at Southmedic. We believe in finding a better way for you and your patients. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check us out at thebetteroxygenmask.com, and we'll see you next time.